Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm giving you a complete beginner's guide to Midjourney AI, one of the most powerful text to image generators out there. If you want to turn your ideas into amazing visuals with just text prompts, this is the best for you. Midjourney is an AI tool that creates images from text prompts. You describe something and it draws it for you in seconds. Artists, content creators, and even marketers are using it to create everything from logos to fantasy scenes. Midjourney runs through Discord, not traditional website or app. So go to midjourney.com and click sign up, then continue with Discord. And scroll down and click authorize. Make sure you have a Discord account. It's free and works on both mobile and desktop. Midjourney isn't free anymore. You will need to choose a plan starting at $10 per month. You can find the subscription options by tapping subscribe in any Midjourney chat room. But now be 20% off, billed annually per month, $8. Now the fun part, creating your first image. Go any new bit new newbies channel. Example, imagine prompt followed by your description. uh, Imagine prompt: a futuristic city at sunset, neon lights and light, high detail cyberpunk style. Wait a few seconds and Midjourney will generate four variations of your image. Click U to upscale V2, get more versions, or reroll for a new batch. The key to great images is writing detailed prompts. Use clear uh, use clear adjectives, styles, and modifiers. Use visualize Use visual styles, anime style, realistic digital art. Add lighting, soft lighting, dramatic shadows, motion artists or eras inspired by Van Gogh, 18 18's retro. Add camera types, DSLR photo, micro shoot. Example, a magical forest, glowing mushrooms, foggy cinematic fantasy art, or a robot playing cheese, Pixar style soft lighting, 4K render. Once you upscale your favorite version, just right click the image and click on download button. You can now use it is in thumbnails, projects, stories, or art portfolios. Midjourney also let you Tweak settings. Use commands like v. Use command like v5 for version are 16:9 for aspect ratio. Style raw for a more photorealistic look. Example prompt with settings: an astronaut floating in space, photorealistic, v5 are and are 16:9, then style raw. And that's how you use Midjourney AI, from setup to creating epic images. If this guide helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below with the wildest thing you want to generate next. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.